Welcome. Today we're in the Manor Golf and Country Club. This custom-built Laddermilk property is gorgeous as soon as you pull up. It also features an 1.5-acre lot, owner suite on main, and the best part, brand new finished terrace level, and your very own brand new oasis backyard. You are not going to want to miss this one. How about this newly updated backyard? You have this gorgeous pool overlooking nature. The setting is unreal. If you have any questions, please reach out to me directly. I'm Brad Poole with Compass. Have a great day.